Welcome to Nature's Healing Touch, where we believe in the power of nature to nurture, heal, and revitalize naturally. Our carefully crafted herbal teas, potent herbal tinctures, and luxurious natural moisturizers are made with the purest botanicals to support your wellness journey naturally. Give the power of nature a try with our herbal teas, which are specially blended. Sip your way to healing, relaxation, energy, or immune support with our synergistic blends, free from artificial additives. Our herbal tinctures are fast-acting and potent. Our tinctures deliver nature's remedy in their most powerful form. Our anti-aging moisturizers are made with grass-fed beef tallow and a blend of natural healing oils. And it's free from harsh chemicals, just pure, nourishing goodness. Every product is mindfully crafted to bring harmony to your body and soul. Discover the difference nature can make. Try our heart health formula, created to improve circulation and heart muscle function, stress and anxiety relief, blood pressure support, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory protection. Try our heart formula today. Our kidney liver tonic detoxifier. This herbal blend is a powerful detoxifier, lymphatic cleanser, and kidney liver tonic. If you are feeling sluggish, bloated, or experiencing digestive discomfort, it might be time for a gentle yet effective parasite cleanse. Our specially crafted proprietary blend combines the power of wormwood, clove, pumpkin seeds, and black walnut hull to help you reclaim your vitality and wellness. Our parasite cleanse works synergistically to target intestinal parasites, including worms, protozoa, and candida overgrowth. At different life stages, they've been used historically to combat malaria, TB, and scabies. Our antiviral defense formula was created with the best herbs, roots, and mushrooms to create a powerful synergistic formula combating chronic viral infections such as Epstein-Barr virus, hepatitis, and other major viruses. Our CMOS Bladderwrack Spirulina Plus Super Blend has 92 plus minerals and electrolytes, including iodine, zinc, magnesium, which supports thyroid, immunity, and hydration. Gut healing, soothes inflammation, repair the mucous membranes, and acts as a prebiotic. Our CMOS blend binds heavy metals, boosts collagen, and accelerates wound healing. CMOS is also known for its aphrodisiac effects. CMOS is a dense seaweed that has been traditionally used as a natural aphrodisiac. Because CMOS is high in zinc, it's a crucial mineral for testosterone production in men and hormonal balance in women. Low zinc levels are linked to reduced libido and fertility issues. CMOS improves blood circulation. It contains potassium and magnesium, which help improve blood flow for longer lasting intimacy. Our Yellow Dog Root and Molasses Plus is a powerful blood-building tonic. Yellow Dog Root and Blackstrap Molasses combine to create a potent, iron-rich remedy that purifies the blood, support liver health, and boost energy. This formula combats anemia with highly absorbable iron and iron-rich molasses. Our Isiac tea formula cleanses the blood, supports liver health, removes toxins from the gland, soothes the gut lining, aids digestion, also anti-cancer, and support the immune system. Our Metabo Detox Weight Loss Herbal Tea is specially formulated with yerba mate, oolong tea, fennel, dandelion, and cinnamon plus, which work together to support weight loss. Yerba mate stimulates the metabolism, reduces appetite, and provides energy for workout. Oolong tea increases calorie burning by 3 to 10%. Our fennel seed acts as a natural appetite suppressant, reduces bloating, and support digestion. Dandelion acts as a gentle diuretic, reducing water retention. The cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, reducing craving and insulin spikes. So try our weight loss tea today. Our Golden Hour Infusion Sleep Aid is a blend of valerian, St. John's wort, passion flower, schisandra, lavender, lion's mane, and more. Valerian promotes relaxation and sleep by increasing GABA levels in the brain. St. John's wort traditionally is used to support mood balance and mild depression. Passion flower calms the nervous system, reduces anxiety, and aids sleep. Schisandra is an adaptogen that helps combat stress, supports the liver, and enhances endurance. Lavender reduces anxiety, promotes relaxation, and improves sleep quality. With this combination, restful sleep is possible. Nature's all-natural, anti-aging, luxurious, skin revitalizing, moisturizing cream was carefully crafted and blended with nutrient-dense, skin-repairing, and balancing oils to create a deeply hydrating, regenerative, and protective moisturizer. Our grass-fed beef tallow is rich in fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Closely mimics the human skin lipids for deep repair and barrier support. We also have sweet almond oil, high in vitamin E and fatty acids, which soothes the irritation and improve skin elasticity. Our rosehip oil packed with retinoid, vitamin A, and vitamin C fades scars, boosts collagen, and reduces wrinkles. Grapeseed oil, a lightweight but high in lanolinic acids, tightens pores and combats acne and inflammation. Also, we have our argan oil, ultra moisturizing, rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, protects against UV damages and aging. So, try our most luxurious skin revitalizing moisturizer today.